Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot find script file error in Windows 11. Whether you're getting this error when trying to run maintenance scripts, or you simply want to make sure your system runs smoothly without interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Notepad on your computer. You can do this by searching for Notepad in the Start menu and clicking to open it. Once you have Notepad open, type the following line exactly: WScript.Quit. Make sure it's typed correctly. This is what will allow the missing script file issue to be bypassed. Next, go to File and select Save As. Choose a location you can easily find, like your desktop, and for the file name, type maintenance.vbs. Important, set the Save As type option to all files before clicking Save. This will create the script file in the correct format that Windows can recognize. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. After saving, copy or cut the maintenance.vbs file and navigate to C, Windows, System 3.2. Right-click in this folder and select Paste to place your new script file there. Doing this beforehand ensures that Windows can access the script when it tries to run maintenance tasks. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After the restart, the cannot find script file error should no longer appear, and your system will be able to run maintenance tasks without any issues. It's also a good idea to double-check that the file is in the correct folder, so everything works properly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the cannot find script file error in Windows 11 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?